Pwede mo yung pang-gap dito. Really na busy mo ba for educational purposes?
What's father name of owner?
My name is Farouk A. Mingalano. Galan. Year in business, actually, mga 8 years, 9 years na siguro kami for operations.
What are your plans for your future?
Well, ang business plan, as of this moment, wala pa yung business plan, but there is a future dream, no? Na hopefully nga padayon ang pag-expansion, no? And we're planning to have a other business like this, like having a big shop, no? With people to other place, no? So there's many things na mga future plan.
How do you maintain your balance between personal life and business?
Well, actually, hindi namin sineseparate yung yung personal expenses namin for the business, we're just looking forward lang sa mga daily life, kung pila ra among gina-expense sa mga although naama mong put may mga individual income like sa kuha, like teaching in physical education, nag-design, so ako ang daughter is a vlogger, same with my son, so dili na mo considered na among money ginaput na mo dire, ginakuha na mo dire para sa mo personal life.
So, sir, where do you see your business 5 years, 10 years?
Well, actually 5 to 10 years from now, hindi ko kasi it depends sa kung if ever 3 to 5 years from now, na mag-continue pa kami, it's because of the this tawag yun, yung tax na mo, hindi nagtatali sa aming income, so hindi namin makita yung future namin for 3 to 5 to 10 years from now, kasi every year tumataas yung business permit namin, so hindi namin makikita yung kung kaya pa ba i-consistent yung negosyo. There is more challenges kasi in terms of business tax based dito sa imong na-income per year, So,
Inspired you para mag-upag sa business?
actually, from the first time step na really inspiration, the more needed na where you will get more income, and then secondly, before mag-start yung business is one is to monitor what is good for the applications and the product and the quality of your business na tinutukunan nila.
Challenges that you encountered in running this business?
Well, mostly yung time pressure, and ang challenges kasi namin dito yung how to operate time to daytime especially yung morning time, and then syempre hindi naman nila kanang mga functions like sa mga workers, and then the time pressure sa pagluto, and then the preparations, and then syempre very pressure yung preparation ng negosyo if ever na wala pa kakabaw sa outcome sa mga the end of the point of the day, magiging result.
So, sir, what method or frameworks do you use for setting and achieving goals?
Well, from the first day na establish namin itong business na mo kay one of the strategies and framework is one is the planning and determination how to do the business. Like this, like Carinderia, well, secondly, framework ng business is one of the secret is how to operate quality quantity of the product that you sell to the community or to your buyer.
How do you identify and understand the needs of your
Customers, it's like mag-identify.
How do you identify and understand needs of your customers?
Well, actually, prioritize namin talaga is one is the service, no? Although every time that we have a guest or a customers, we make sure na lahat ka ng mga need nila sa ilang table, which is will be served, no? Customer is always the boss in this place.
Next is, what strategies do you use to acquire and retain customers?
For retaining customers.
Yes.
Actually, good service. You need to show them that their importance time to time. They go back, and then sometimes they asking some of the food na prepare. No? Hindi lang basta yung pagluto. Kailangan more than sa pag-prepare mo. Kung kailangan, ang food na siniserve mo, kung mas masarap, dapat palaging mas masarap dapat siniserve mo. And hindi kami dito na serve na basta lang kailangan always make sure na every time na makain sila rito sa Capitan, kailangan mapin mo na ano yung ideal na delicacies na taste nila. Kailangan ma-serve nila more than doon sa luto nila doon sa bahay nila. Well, actually, wala naman kami negative so far na feedback. But some of the time na may mga cases kasi din, like yung minor problems, like yung very slow because of the lack of customers. You know? As you can see, we have a lack of workers here na hindi namin ma-please lahat. No? Sometimes yun lang naman yung mga na-encounter namin sa mga customers namin.
What is the difference apart from competitors?
Well, so far, hindi naman kami sa competitors namin so far kasi wala naman masyado dito yung establishment like this kind of kung meron man, sa mga nag-review. So, we're just making our food prepared. Minsan lang amuang delicacies na so far ikan sa mga. No? So, in terms of competitors, well, so far, hindi naman kami nakaka-encounter ng mga yan issues, no? Although, we're just preparing our food for the customers, like, after 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, we make sure na gusto na. So, hindi namin ni-extend ang time frame na mag-extend kami for the night preparation sa food namin.
How do you manage the financial aspect of your business, such as budgeting and cash flow?
Well, time to time, or in our weekly, we're just separating our natawag na puhunan, weekly, and then the rest of the week, makikita namin kung ano lang yung net income namin to the gross income. So we're just separating well, as I said before, na dili na mo kuha amuang negosyo sa pang daily needs namin. So we just put our our business roll and roll, no? Rolling lang and rolling. And then the rest of the net income will go into the bank. And yes, so the rest, kung isa may mga income na ma-put up nila sa bank, so yun, that is for the future plan as you ask lately na for the expansion and for the growth of the business. Making sure na ang inyong net income limited lang ninyo, ma-avoid lang ninyo para hindi ninyo magamit ang yung mga puhunan ninyo doon sa inyong net income.